Hello viewers, we will discuss about one new project which name is Piscoin. A good strong team, a serious project and a large scale. I'm sure that this project will always be successful soon and this is good idea to contribute with them. Piscoin easy secure payment coin. The idea of this project is that which procedure the people's all currencies are secure and payment through to Piscoin. First of all, we will discuss about home and the second at get started. Get started are the divided into four individuals, business and what to buy a piece, where to buy a piece and what procedure to buy a piece. Every thing we will discuss in this project. Where to spend and piece and download what the procedure to download the PIS wallet. PIS wallet the most excellent project on the market from the existing one. I tell everyone about you and friend. It is very interesting to learn more about the project. Scroll down. We see PIS coin is a new digital currency. This project a strong community with a great potential. The best specialists work and create confidence in this project. This project is so unique and the most wonderful project of 2021. I personally opinion to everyone join this project. Soon you will get a more benefit and more benefit in all projects. Scroll down to you see a PIS real digital currency. This is the start button and 1 second transaction speed. Wonderful speed of this project, a 1 second of the currency speed. And the other one, this is a potential team and friendly behavior to everyone. The best platform and concept, great future and very experienced team always working behind this project. So I think this project will succeed and I know this project will grow in future. Exchange site, this is a merchant, etc. We'll scroll down to will show the unlike other complicated cryptocurrency Piscoin. Piscoin is a unique coin and this idea to everyone used to this coin to they will launch their app in our Android phones, laptop, etc. and etc. Project is a very diverse and this will certainly lead to great success and great business development. Scroll down to will show a download the wallet option. We will click easily to download this wallet and use to this project address. We will need this wallet to use a project and buy and sell this coin to use this wallet only. To everyone, I like the team is looking at the future of technology using blockchain. A good project with a real priming. I recommend to read more here. And we will scroll down to will see people easy to secure payment through this app, easily to secure our payment. Everyone join this project. Download here and about us. Any information about this project to click here easily to understand about this. We will see a social media links. Every one who contact to this community to easily to through this social media links. And project is a very diverse and this is I'm greatly satisfied with this project and team experience with lot of potential and I'm sure they achieve more and more success for this project. Get started. This is for individual, for a business. Will click there to will easily show a receive payment is instantly for your customer. Which procedure everyone mention is there. So this is a very unique project and I know this is a very unique project. This is individual, where to spend, where to get paid to click there. Everyone mention there step by step. So please join this project, and I sure that this is a very brilliant project in 2021. I like that, and the project use very competent marketing and price policy. I am confident that the project will show itself well in the future. Thank you very much.